How to download Paylocity mobile app. Let's get started. Launch your app store. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of search. Now at the top you're gonna see the search box. Over there type in the app name Paylocity and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of install or get, or also you might find this kind of icon. You just have to click on that. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Paylocity simplifies and streamlines critical payroll and HR processes with its software that is specifically designed to suit how you work. Paylocity flaunts a mobile, responsive, and customizable onboarding solution. Once completion of this download process, you can sign up for your account and use it. So this way you can easily download Paylocity app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.